Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have OPPO Watch S, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing we need to do is to turn on our watch. And you can turn it on by pressing and holding the crown button for about, I would say, 10 seconds, basically until you see the OPPO logo on the screen. So let's keep holding the button. And once you see the logo, you can release it. Now let's go to our iPhone and let's download the application we need for the pairing. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on the iPhone you want to pair your watch with. Then open the App Store on that iPhone. Where's the App Store? Here. Tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in OHealth. And tap on search. And on the list you should see this application, OHealth. With this icon, download it and install it. And since the application is still installing, we can go to our watch. We can swipe left, select the language from the list of languages. So find the language you would like to use and tap on it to select it. Then tap next, next. And once you see this page with the name of the watch, it means that the watch is ready to be paired. Now the application is done installing. We can tap on open. In the app, you will need to log in into account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on other accounts right here and either use OnePlus account, iPhone account. You can also create a new one right here by tapping on create. I already have an account, so I'm gonna use the HeyTap account. Enter the email address. Tap on get code to get the login code. And let's wait on the phone that's supposed to give us the code. Here we have it. Now let's enter the code we received. You will receive it on the email you provided, basically. So here we have the code. Okay, tap on sign up. Agree and continue. And once you log in, agree to the terms of use, and now you should see the home page. Tap on the device icon. Here, tap on add device. Select the OPPO watch from the list of devices. Allow this permission. The Bluetooth permission is required, so allow it. You will see the watch being listed right here on the list of devices. Tap on it to select it. And once you select it, it will start the pairing process. Tap on pair, tap on the checkmark to confirm. And if you see the pop-up about the notifications permissions, you can allow it or deny it. It's not required, but if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you will need to allow it. Tap on continue. And here we have some user agreements. We need to check the box, tap on continue. And now we can allow some permissions. Next we have the contacts on your wrist. So if you want to use your watch to start calls with your contacts, you will need to tap on allow and then add some contacts to the list. You can also skip it if you want to. I'm gonna just allow it for the sake of the video. Continue, and I'm gonna share all 50 contacts. Then we have the calendar permission. You can skip it or allow it, of course. Next we have the device GPS helper. So I believe it's location. You can skip it or allow it. And then we have the preferred wrist. You can set up the screen lock if you want to. I'm gonna skip it, but if you want to, tap on numeric and set it up. And finally, the setup will continue. Then we can tap on get started. And now you should see the OPPO watch on the list of, or on the device page in the app. And if you go through the tutorial on the watch, which is quite lengthy, like this, right, left, okay, press and hold on the watch face to open the watch face menu, press the crown button, and finally got it And we have the tutorial done. As you can see, the watch is ready to use. And basically that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. So if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, leaving a like on the video, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.